welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing amazing, sending positive vibes, sprinkling positive vibes to your life from my video. That probably made no sense, but anyways, today I have a haul. Can you tell I just had some coffee? Guys, I have not been drinking coffee. I think I left it for like more than a month and I started drinking it again, and it's like a party in my system. So right now I am pumped. I am so excited. I have an Amazon haul, as you can see by the title. It's a lot of like beauty related, and then I have these really cool boots that I want to show you guys, and I have other bits and pieces. So if you want to see what I have, I will link everything in the description box for you guys, just in case if anybody is interested in anything that I have. And before I start blabbing like I always do, let's get on with the video. Does it ever happen to you guys that you put a certain lipstick on and you're like, yes, I feel it, this is great, but then you look at yourself in different lighting and it's not it? That's what I'm feeling right now with this lipstick on, but am I gonna take it off? No. So let's get on with the video. I want to show you guys, like I said, I have some boots, super cute. I have beauty stuff, I have a perfume, and I have other little bits and pieces. So I'm going to start off with these. So these are pure cotton powder puffs. So I'm going to show you this one because this one is mine. So it does come with 10, and I like the color first of all, and then these are so squishy. Like, they're really nice quality. I like that it has this. You're able to like put your fingers in here, as many fingers as you want, because as you can see, these are pretty big, and you know, pat powder in there. Or what I like to do also is kind of like squish it like this, grab powder, go like this, and you know, go in certain areas or whatever. So these are really nice. Like I said, I will link everything in the description box below, from the name to the price and the link, so it could be easier for you guys. I like to use these because I started doing people's makeup, and guys, I'm so excited. Little by little, people are getting to know my work here where I live, and I feel like, I don't know, it's just like a dream come true for me. So yeah, I'm building my kit slowly but surely, and honestly, I really like these. And then also, before I put something in my kit, I always try it out myself, and if I like it like a lot, then that's when I put it in my kit. So yeah, these are great. And also, I know I'm talking a lot, but it's because I haven't done a video. Also, what I like to do, every client I use one of these, right? So after I'm done using them, I like to give them the one that I actually use on them, because it's a really good puff. You could wash it a couple of times and you're still able to use it. So I'm like, why am I gonna throw these away when I could give it to the client? You know what I mean? So yeah, these are really good. Even if you just want some for yourself or your sisters or your mom or whatever, it's a really good pack. Like, it's a really good high quality, really well made. So yeah, first thing is this. Oh my god, I'm talking so fast. I really hope that you guys don't mind. So let's continue. The second thing I got is this. Again, this is for my kit. It's a really cool like little pack. So it comes with mascara wands, and it comes with 2 different kinds of mascara wands, which I think is really cool. So it's these 2, and then also it comes with like liner, like little liner disposables, and it comes with little lip disposables, which is really cool. If you want to do like a lip gloss and a lipstick, you know, you have some for both. And then also it comes with the disc, so you could put your like makeup and stuff, and it comes with a little spatula so you could depot things. I honestly think this is really cool, and this was under 20 bucks, I believe. And again, this is really good quality. I've bought one of these before, and I really like it. So I was like, you know what, let me buy it again, let me stock up, because I was running low on some things, and it's a really cool thing to use, you know. Also, these are really nice. Like, I like to mix foundations in there. If I feel like a foundation is way too light, then I'll mix like a pigment in there, or if I want to change the undertone and all that, you could always mix, and then you could put certain different things on that like little plate, and I think it's super cool. I'm probably sounding like a broken record. I'm sorry. I'm just so excited to be back. And then the next thing is this powder. It's from the brand LUOZI. LUOZI. Creo que sí. So this is what it looks like outside. It's so cute, guys. So it's just so elegant and cute to me. Now this powder is supposed to be a dupe for the Givenchy Prism powder, I believe it's called. So look at how beautiful it is from the outside. I think it's stunning. And you open it like this. It does have a powder puff in here. And then you mix these colors as use it as a setting powder or something under your eyes. I've heard really good things about this, so I bought this to try it out on myself, my sisters, my mom, and if I really like this, then I'm going to be putting this in my kit because, like I said, a lot of people are raving about this on TikTok. You know, you can find so many things on TikTok, and I cannot wait to try this. I literally got this today, so boy am I excited to use this. Next, you guys already know this about me, I love fragrances. I love fragrances for the hair, like hair mists. I am obsessed with that. A long time ago, Victoria's Secret used to sell them, but I don't know why they stopped selling them. And then I think Bath and Body Works used to sell them, but they don't do anymore. I don't know why. I love hair mists. This scent, Pink Sugar. If you've never smelled this, it's like, it's so beautiful. It's literally like sugar in a bottle. I'm not even kidding, but in a really good way. I love this stuff. It's so sweet. Like, people would turn heads if you wear this. I swear, this is such a pretty scent, and it's for the hair. I think this was, 15 or 20 bucks. I don't remember, but it's a really nice size. I have been using it. I got it like 3 weeks ago, and this is really nice. If you like sugary scents or like sweet scents, you're gonna love that. Trust me, it's so good. And then if you pair with other things, it would even smell better. Next, I got this from, I'm not even gonna try to say this, but it's this brand, and this is a roll-on body fixative. So for example, let's say that you have a dress that is super low, and you know how you can use like boob tape and like other things like that to like keep it in place. Well, this is like a gel or like a glue, and all you do is use it as a roller, apply it to the part of the body that you don't want the clothes to move, and literally it will stay there. It will not move. This product is genius. Honestly, 10 out of 10. I've used it already, and it works. Like, it works. It doesn't come off until you shower, which is really cool, because you know, sometimes we want to wear like low cut shirts but not that low, and you want it to stay where you want it to. This right here is like a magic in a bottle. I cannot use this enough. I love this stuff. This is my second bottle, and it's really cool. Also, I have one of these in my kit just in case if one of my clients needs it. I got you, girl. I got you. The next product is from FootMatters, and it's a shoe stretcher. So it's a spray, and I recently bought my first pair of Doc Martens, and I've been wanting a pair for such a long time. I don't know why I didn't buy them, to be honest. And I'm like, you know what, this year is my year. I deserve it, and I have some money saved up, so I'm like, you know what, let's do. So I got this shoe stretcher. I saw a lot on TikTok that it's really good. So I'm gonna try it, and I will let you guys know if it actually works. So it comes with a little spritzer, and this is what it looks like, just in case if you're curious. It looks like this. So basically you grab like a towel or something, and you dampen it, and then you leave it inside the shoe. I don't know for how long, I forgot, but I'll read into it. And if anybody wants to know if it works, I will definitely be posting about it on my TikTok. So if you don't follow me, I'll leave it in the description box below. And it says it's easy to use, softens and stretches shoes, eliminates pinching. So I'm really excited to see if this actually works, because I have other shoes that fit me. Like, they fit me okay, but I just feel like they need to be stretched a little bit. So if this could help me stretch them faster, perfect. Moving on, I have these two lights, and I've been having these for about, I don't know, maybe like 2 months already. And these are really nice. So you are able to hook these on your phone, and the light on this is really good. So it looks like this, and it has different settings, which is really cool. Like, can you see that light? And then it changes. It has warm, cool, and all that stuff. It's like a really nice light. I bought these because I'm going to go to Mexico and I want to vlog for you guys. I'm going to be vlogging. And when I tell you that I have a lot of parties to go to, I have a lot of parties to go to and I'm going to be vlogging. So if this is the first video that you're watching from me, baby girl, you want to subscribe, because when I tell you that I know how to party, I know how to party. And you know, Mexico parties and todas las fiestas, you know, they get good. So I'm going to be posting. I'm going to try to do like a weekly vlog. I'm really going to try to do my hardest. I don't know how long they're going to be, but I'm going to try my hardest, guys. So I got two just in case. And they have been working really good. Highly recommend it if you do TikToks or if you do anything where you need light. These are really good. And they were super cheap. I think they were under 17 bucks each. I could be wrong, but I think they're 12 bucks each. I think. And then Black Friday's coming up, so you could probably get them cheaper, you know? Moving on, I got this huge case for my makeup, and like, this thing is huge, guys. It's so pretty. It's like an alligator wannabe material. It's really nice. It's super soft. And when I tell you that this thing has so much space, like, it really does. And I love it. So this is like the first part, and then right here you have like a little zipper where you can put more stuff, whatever you want, honestly. Even if you're not like a makeup artist or you're not into makeup, like, you could put so many things in here, and it's a really, really nice case to have. And then you open up the bigger compartment and it looks like this. So you're able to put like your brushes in here, or whatever you feel like putting in here, to be honest. And then the bottom part, you're able to fix it however you want. It does come with this to like make it like a handbag, like a long bag. My words are not coming to me right now. I'm sorry, guys. And then you see this, you're able to hook it up like this so it could stay open. Like, it's a really well made like case, and I really, really like it. So it's huge. I love that you're able to put it on your maleta. So that's really, really nice. I think this was under 40 bucks, but honestly, it's really well made and it's really cute. Like, if I needed another one, I will probably purchase the same one because I love it. And then I love the texture on it. It's super cute and stylish, but like in a little you know what I mean? Because you know how there's like black ones, plain black. This is like another, taking like another level, but like in a cute way, you know? The next item I got is this. So this is originally for like markers and color pencils and things like that, school wise, but I got it to hold my lipsticks. It has like a little baggie right here, my lipsticks and my lip liners and eyeliners and all that. So it has this, and then it has this and this. Like, it's pretty big, guys. It fits a lot of things. And this, and then you still have like this part. So I cannot wait to fill this up with stuff. If you guys want to see like a video of how like I store my lipsticks and products in here, and if you want to see how I fill this bad boy up, let me know, because I am so down to show you guys the products that I really have been liking for my kit and all that. Like I always tell you guys, I'm always here to help. Don't forget that. But yeah, if you have any question, let me know in the comments. Next, I want to show you guys some boots that I found on Amazon because they are so cute. They come in this little baggie, and these are it. The color is so cute. I don't have anything this color, and they are a suede material. The heel is super small, so you won't get tired. And these are so cute. These are in a size 10 porque estoy bien patona, and I love how they look on. Like, they are so cute. I cannot wait to style these. I will be posting outfit ideas on my TikTok. I might do a whole entire video on outfits for here on YouTube. But these are so cute, and they were less than 50 bucks, I believe. I think the only thing that sucked, I'm not gonna lie to you guys because you guys know that I don't like to lie to you. They took freaking forever to get to me. I ordered these in September and I barely got them like about 2 weeks ago, and we're already in November, okay? They took freaking forever. The customer service from 1 to 5 was like a 2.5, but the boots are freaking amazing. Like I like them. I actually love them. I wore them a little bit around the house to see how I felt. It felt amazing, but yeah, that's the only downfall to them. But they are all the way from China, so maybe that's why. But yeah, these are super cute. The last two products are these right here. This one is from Amazing Grass. It's called Green Superfood Detox and Digest, and it looks like this. It is a green powder that helps give you natural energy, promotes detox, helps alkalize, supports digestive system, and supports immunity. And I'm halfway. I really like this stuff. It does not taste gross. I add it to water and I drink it in the morning. My stomach feels amazing. Like my tummy sometimes feels inflamed with anything I eat, and this helps me out so much. Like I really do feel like it detoxes me and it helps my stomach look flat. Obviously I have a tummy, but it doesn't make me feel like I'm inflamed. I hope that makes sense. This makes me feel so good, and I've been taking it for about 2 weeks and I already like it, so I know I'm going to be repurchasing that. It's a really good product. And then this one, you guys already know that liquid chlorophyll went viral, and I see a lot of people drinking it, and I'm like, you know what, let me try it. So this is from the brand Benevolent Nourishment, and it's liquid chlorophyll. First of all, the brand, the customer service is 10 out of 10. As soon as I bought it, they sent me a message saying if I had any questions or if I needed any help on learning how to take this, that they were there to help. I've never had a seller on Amazon reach out to me, and I thought that was really nice. So if you guys are ever looking for liquid chlorophyll, I highly suggest you check out this brand. They're really nice. Like, I'm telling you, we need more people like that. We need more people that own brands or that own things like this to be like that. They should take notes, honestly. And this is a 2 ounce little bottle. Let me show it to you guys. It is like a dropper, so you add 15 drops 1 to 3 times per day, and it is literally like green. Can you see how dark this is? Like, it's literally green, and it has like a slight minty flavor, which I really like. So when I take this, I put it in water, and then I add this on there, mix it all up, and I take it within 1 to 2 hours of me preparing it. This is the first thing that I drink as soon as I wake up, so I really like it. And I have been drinking it once a day, but I'm probably gonna start drinking it 2 times per day. So that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. It was probably all over the place, but I was doing a lot of blabbing because I'm so excited to be back. But I really hope that you enjoyed it. Again, everything is going to be listed in the description box below for your convenience. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.